Hello and welcome back to another cooking vlog from Enchanting Endeavors. Today let's prepare a quick and easy air fryer salmon tandoori. It's light, healthy and comes together really fast. First let's prepare the marinade. In a bowl, add some yogurt, then add some garlic powder, ginger powder, paprika, turmeric, onion powder, garam masala, kasturi methi and jeera powder. Whisk everything together for a while until it's well combined. After washing the salmon fillet, pat them dry to remove excess moisture. Then cut them into even bite-sized pieces. Then add the prepared marinade into the salmon pieces. Make sure they're coated well and each piece is evenly covered. Now, place a parchment paper liner in the air fryer basket. Arrange marinated salmon pieces evenly. Set the air fryer to 200 degrees Celsius and cook for about 9 to 10 minutes. After the first cook, flip the salmon pieces. Air fry them again at 150 degrees Celsius for about 5 minutes. Once done, take out the salmon pieces carefully. Squeeze fresh lemon juice on top. Serve hot and enjoy. Stay tuned to Enchanting Endeavors for more quick recipes.